Parrots are very intelligent animals and require an environment full of mental and physical stimulation. Including things like foraging into your parrot's daily routine is a great way to enrich their lives. If your bird is new to foraging, you will need to show them how to forage by simply placing the treat in the toy in front of your bird. This may take some time for your bird to pick up on, but once they do, it will be fun and games from this point on. Here are some DIY foraging toys and ideas that you can put together yourself. Go get your treat. You can get it. Oh, good boy! I made that easy for you though. Too easy. Is it good? For the hanging egg carton foraging toy, you will need gifting or crinkle paper optional, 1 egg carton, string, and a pair of scissors. Start off by cutting the egg carton into individual pieces. You will want to only use the parts with no writing on it, for this carries ink. I just use the bottom of the egg carton. Once you have cut them all, you will then want to put a hole in the middle of each of the egg carton pieces. Just be careful when doing so. You can either use 2 or a couple of them, one on top of the other. Put the string through and tie it on one end. Make the string how long you want it. Place the string on the other piece of the egg carton, so now you have 2. If you want more, continue doing the same steps. Now you can place the crinkled paper inside if you are planning on using it. Lastly, you want to just tie the end of the string, add in the treat, and voila! Give it a go and see how your bird likes it. For the foot foraging paper twist, you will need either plain piece of white paper or tissue paper and a pair of scissors. I'm going to work with a tissue paper. I find tissue paper is generally easier for smaller birds such as budgies and for birds who have never foraged before. What you're going to want to do is cut the size according to your bird and the treat that you're going to place inside. I'm going to use a pistachio, and what you're going to want to do is just simply roll it up. As you can see with the treat inside, just be careful because tissue paper is somewhat fragile. Twist it, again be careful. You can either cut off the ends or leave it as is. That's it, you have a fun little foraging toy. This is one of the simplest foraging toys you can make. What you got in there, Rico? You got an almond in there? You can't get it out? You're getting it a little bit at a time. Is it good? Is it good? For the small foraging toy balls, all you will need is any safe small toy ball and a string optional. I'm just using the cat balls. You can pretty much grab these from anywhere. I got these from the dollar store and Rico loves them. I always remove the small balls inside just for safety reasons. A string is optional if you want to hang it or just simply use it as a great foot foraging toy. Place treats that are small enough to fit inside but large enough so they don't fall out. I've used walnuts, almonds, and a couple other things as well. That's it. Now you have a fun little foot foraging toy. Oh, you found it already? Oh boy, too fast. For the miniature paper bag foraging toys, you will need miniature paper bags. I got these from the dollar store in a pack. Crinkled paper, hole cutter or a pair of scissors to make a hole in the bag, and strings optional. This one is pretty basic as well. What you're going to want to do is put 2 holes on each side of the bag. Just be careful if you're using the scissors. Put the string through the bag and tie the ends. Once you've tied the string inside the paper bags, what you're going to want to do is just remove the extra string that's hanging. Now you're ready to put the crinkled paper inside of the bag. You can also put some holes on the side of the bag so your bird has a little bit easier access to it. That's optional as well. I just put like 1 or 2 holes in it, and that's it. You're ready to put your treats inside as well. Now you have a little treat bag for your bird. I highly recommend that if you're planning on putting this in your bird's cage, always supervise them or just use 1 string opposed to 2 or no strings at all, just to be safe. You don't want any mishaps with the double string. Look, there we go. Do you want to come see it? Got the oats. There. Okay, here. There you go. What do you think? Do you like it? For the Foraging big ball toys, all you will need is 1 safe big ball and a string optional. If you are planning on using the string, make it as long as you want it and tie it to the ball. Now you're ready to put the treats inside. I'm just using oat sprays to make it different. You can use many things like vegetables, kale, millet, lettuce, anything that your bird may like. Once you're done, you can just find a safe spot to hang it so your bird has access to it. This will just make things fun and exciting for your bird. Hope you enjoyed the video and found some inexpensive ways to make some foraging toys for your bird. If you did, please don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell for future videos. As well, if you did try any of these little foraging tips, please leave us a comment and let us know how your bird enjoyed it. And for other bird owners, if you have any other suggestions on how you put together some foraging toys, let us know and leave a comment. I always appreciate it, and so will other bird owners. And thanks so much for watching. Say bye, Rico. Love you guys. Bye for now.